Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add customers in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Xero, and when you're going to be here, click on plus, click on contacts and click on customers. When you're going to do it, you just want to simply click add contact, and let's just name it customer 999, right? You're going to see the primary person, last name, first name, phone, fax, mobile. Then you're going to see the Skype name number that you can add. Then you're going to see postal address here that you can simply add also. Street address that you can add. And financial details. So sales, purchase settings, etc. And tax ID. That you can I'm not going to talk about because these things are up to you to set up based on information that you have. And when I'm going to scroll down, I can add sales discount, invoice theme, etc. Then I'm going to add save. As you can see, when I'm going to contacts again, I won't be able to see the customer 999 in customers. And why is that? Because what you need to do, I'm going to just see him in all contacts. What you need to do is to create an invoice and invoice it to the customer 999 to be the customer. So I would add here customer, invoice number, it will automatically be added, and I just add item. I will just click send here to my name here, send. And I just send my invoice to my own email. Now when I go to contacts and click customers, let's wait for it. I can see it right here, customer 999 is here in contacts. And this is how you can simply add a customer to your contact in Xero. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.